Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss question number 6 of the chapter motion of class 9. This is a graph, and from this graph we have to solve this problem, right? What are the problems? Let us see what are the problems and how you can solve it. Figure 7.10 shows the distance time graph of three objects A, B, C. Study the graph and answer the following questions. Question number A is which of the three is traveling the fastest, right? Which of the following is traveling the fastest? How to find the first one is we have to find the slope of all the graphs, right? Here you can see the slope is maximum in case of this one, right? How to find the slope? Let us solve question number A. Right? Question number A is how to find the speed. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Right, and to find the speed we have to find the slope, and the formula for slope we know that slope is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to tan theta, that is we have to find the angle tan theta, right? Tan that is perpendicular by base. Tan theta is equal to, we know that perpendicular by base, perpendicular by base, right? And you can find how to find the now to find which slope is greater. This angle you can see here, this angle, slope of B is this angle, slope of C this is slope of B, this is slope of C, and this is slope of A. We can find the maximum slope is in case of B, right? This angle is greater, right? Or you can find also by using this tan theta. Therefore, which of the following three is traveling the fastest? We find that this B, object B is fastest, right? Since speed equal to slope of graph, we know that speed is equal to slope. Speed is equal to slope of the graph, slope, and slope is found by tan theta. Slope, speed is equal to slope of the graph, slope of the graph. And in this case, we find that the slope is maximum in case of B, right? Therefore, slope of object B, therefore, slope, since slope of object B is maximum, right? Slope of object B is greater than that of A and C, A and C. Therefore, we can say that B is the fastest of all. Therefore, B is traveling the fastest. B is traveling the fastest, right? B is traveling the fastest. That is the answer, right? This is A. Now question B, all the three ever at the same point on the road? Here if you see in the graph in the C, we can see that all the objects A, B and C never meet at a single point, right. Therefore, they never at the same point on the road, right. We can say thus all the three objects, that is point, all the three objects, all the three objects never meet at a single point. We are not getting a single point where all the three lines meet, right. Therefore, you can say that they never meet at the same point on road. Therefore, they never meet, they never meet at the same point, on the road, Okay, this is question number B. Now, question C is how far has C travelled when B passes A? When B passes A, that is the question, right. How far has C travelled when B passes A? First we have to find when B passes A, what is the value? B passes A means this point. This point is B passes A, right. We have to find the value of C here, right. When B passes A, the distance of C is this point. You see, the distance of C is this point, that is 8 kilometer, right. That is, we are getting 8 kilometer. How far has C travelled when B passes A, right. You have to find this point number C. Distance of C from origin when B passes A is 8 kilometer, right. We are solving question number C. What is the question? How far has C travelled when B passes A? When B passes A means this point, B passes A this point, and at that point the value of C is this one, that is 8 kilometer, right, from the origin, right. Therefore, you can write distance of C from origin, distance of C from origin distance of C from origin, distance of C from origin when B passes A, when B passes A, when B passes A is equal to, what is that? This value, that is 8 kilometer, that is 8 kilometer, right, 8 kilometer, 8 kilometer, right. The distance of C from origin when B passes A, that is 8, we are getting that 8 kilometer, right. Now, you see this one, this value, that is this one, right, distance. How many division is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right. That means 7 division equal to 4. Therefore, one division is equal to 4 by 7, right. 1 division equal to 4 by 7, right. And here you find that C is, this is the C point. How many point? 1, 2, 3, 4. C is 4 blocks away from origin, right. C is 4 blocks away from origin, right. C is 4 blocks away, 4 blocks away from origin. C is 4 blocks away from origin. Therefore, initial distance of C, therefore, initial distance of C, initial distance of C from origin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, that is, we can write it as 1 division 4 by 7, there are 4 division 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 into 4 by 7, that is 16 by 7 kilometer, 16 by 7 kilometer. Again you see that C is 4 blocks away from origin. Initial distance of C from origin is 1 division is 4 by 7, there are 4 blocks, means 4 into 4 by 7, that is 16 by 7 kilometer, right, 16 by 7 kilometer. And distance of C from origin when B passes A is equal to 8 kilometer. Distance of C from origin, it was from 8 kilometer. We have to find this distance, 8 minus this one, we have to minus this distance, right. Now, therefore, we will find distance travelled by C, therefore, distance travelled by C when B passes A, when B passes A, right. B passes means this, B passes this point, right, and this is C point, that is 8 kilometer, right. We have to subtract this one, right, that is equal to that C point is at 8 kilometer, right. Therefore, 8 minus this point is 16 by 7, 8 minus 16 by 7, 16 by 7. Therefore, we are getting 7 is 56 minus 16 by 7, that is, we are getting 0, 40 by 7, 40 by 7. If we divide 40 by 7, what we get, you see here, we are dividing 40 by 7, right, 40 by 7, that is 5 7 is 35, this is 5, this is 5, that is point, this is 0, right, 7 7 49, 7 7 49, 1 point is there, 0, 7 1 just 7, that is 3, point is 0, 0, and nearly 4, 4 7 is 28, 28, then 2 is there, right, 2 is remainder, that you can write here as 5.714 kilometer. This is the answer, right? Okay, this is the answer, that right, 5.714 kilometer. That is distance of C from origin when B passes A is equal to 8 kilometer. You got it? The distance of C from origin when B passes A, B passes in this point, right? And at this point, the value of C is, distance is this C point, that is 8 kilometer, right? 8 kilometer, right? And 7 division equal to 4, we got this one, that is 1 division equal to 4 by 7. C is 4 blocks away, C is 4 blocks away from origin, this is C, right? Initial distance of C from origin is 4 into 4 by 7, that is 16 by 7 kilometer. Distance travelled by C when B passes A is equal to 8 minus this distance, 16 by 7, right? Right? Distance travelled by C when B passes A, right? We have to subtract it, that is 8 minus this one is this distance, right? That is 5.714 kilometer, right? We will solve question number D. Now, what is question number D? Let us see. Question number D is, we will solve question number D. Now, we are question number, now I am deleting this drawing, clear all drawings. Now, we will do question number D. What is question number D? You see here, question number D is, what is the question number D? How far has B travelled by time it passes C? How far has B travelled by the time it passes C, right? B passes C means this point, right? B passes C, B passes C, what is C? This one, B passes C, this point, this is the point, this is the point. This point, right? How far B travelled by the time it passes C? How far B travelled, right? B at this point, the value of B is 4. How many divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9 division, right? At that point 9 divisions are there, right? That means we can find that the value will be, it is 9 square box or 9 division, distance travelled, therefore distance travelled by B, distance travelled by B travelled by B by the time it passes C, by the time it passes C is equal to 9 square box. You see, this is 9 square box or 9 division, 9 division. And we find that 1 division equal to 4 by 7. We found before that 1 division equal to 4 by 7. 1 division is equal to 4 by 7. Therefore, 9 division means 9 into 4 by 7, right? 9 division means 9 into 4 by 7, that is equal to 9 into 4 by 7. 1 division is 4 by 7, right? That is 436 by 7 kilometer. If we divide 36 by 7, you see you are dividing 36 by 7, 7 5, so 35, 1, right. Now we can write it as point 0, 7 1 is 7, 3 point is there 0, right, 4 7 is 28, 2 point is there 0, right, or nearly 3, this is 20 or nearly, right, that is approximate. We are getting the value as 5.143 kilometer. That is the answer. Right, 5.143 kilometer. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you.